Hello again, I'm back messing around with my digger. This time it's a leak on the little blade thing at the front. I'll try and zoom in and show you, hang on. Right, here we are. This is the blade on the front of the digger, which is quite useful. And it's leaking there quite badly. It's always been weeping a bit, but now it's really leaking, so I've got to figure out how to take this off and figure out how to mend it. So I'll clean it up now and see what's what. Well, I got it off, and that was surprisingly easy. The hardest part actually was getting the split pins out of that split pin was dead easy, but this one had to break, no, the other one had to break that one off. It just wouldn't come out, so wherever it is, no, it's there. But I'll take that to work and drill it out. That'll be easy enough. But the yeah, I've got the hydraulic ram off, which is surprisingly heavy, so I'll take that to work and figure out how to change it. I guess I have to undo this, and there must be a seal on this shaft. Anyway, I'll figure it out. In fact, thinking about it, whilst I've got the whilst I'm messing around with the ram for the front, and obviously I won't be able to use the digger, I may as well. There's another thing that when I was fixing the thermostat the other day, I was heating the thermostat up, and the sender unit for the temperature gauge is screwed into the body of it, and I did take it out, but before I took it out I realised I was heating it up, so it obviously got quite warm, and that bit you can't really see it, but the ends come off, which is it's like a pin spade terminal thing, and that's dropped off. So obviously the temperature gauge doesn't work, which isn't ideal. It isn't ideal because it gets quite warm. So if I just need to keep an eye on the temperature, that's all. So whilst it's out of action, I've just taken this off. I might try and get another one of these or something very similar, so that I get the temperature gauge to work. Yeah, so jolly good. See you in a bit. Oh, you can. Hello again. Right, a few days have passed since the last video with me sorting out this ram. Since then, I've got a new seal. There's a new wiper seal there. The old one wasn't too bad, but may as well replace it while it's off. Then the nice shiny new, that blue seal there, that's the new one for the main seal that we needed to replace. So I'm going to put this back together now. I'm hoping it won't take very long at all. One of the things I need to do is, there's like a pin, I don't know if you can see that there, there's this pin that's broken up, which looks about 6 mm in diameter, and that went through this great big nut thing to hold it on the end of the ram. And it was held on with this spring clippy clip thing. So obviously I don't have a pin, so I'm going to make one out of an old I just happened, my drills, one of the bench drills is here, and I just happened to have a drill bit which should be nice and strong. Again, I could use a bolt, I don't know, just cut the head off, I'm not too sure, but this will be a lot harder, so we may as well use this as it's hard and it's the right size. So I'm just going to quickly do that now. I'll just measure, see how long this old one is. So it's about that long. So I'm going to cut that just there. Hopefully, there. A bit difficult trying to cut it with my finger in the way. There, that's done it. Hopefully that drill bit will do the same job as those broken pins. So now we need to put everything back on this ram, I think. Right, that's kind of got it, hopefully. So I'll take that back home now and we'll try and put it back on the digger. Right, see you in a bit. Well, that's good. I've got the ram fixed on the digger. As you saw on the clip before, it was leaking from there, and now it's not, which is brilliant. That's the result I was looking for. So yeah, God, it looks so clean, that ram. It's the cleanest part of the digger, I think. Anyway, whilst I'm here, I've got a couple of other little bits and bobs to do. I was going to, I can't remember if I said, but I've changed the water temp sender unit that makes the gauge work. I changed it for one. The proper one was 60 something pounds, and I managed to get one from I think it's a Mitsubishi Shogun from the sort of mid 80s, which is, this engine's a Mitsubishi, so it's similar. Excuse me. So I fitted that, and it works. The gauge doesn't quite read correctly, but at least it reads something, which is all right. And I was just going to tidy up a few bits of wiring whilst I'm here and whilst it's dry and clean. So I'll do that now and then carry on doing some digging. So thanks for watching this. Not a particularly interesting video of fixing a seal on a ram, but you know, these things, you got to do what you got to do just to carry on. So right, see you next time. Bye.